on YouTube, fam? So we finally got the silicone hose from motorsports, and we're about to install this. We got all types of good goodies in here. Nice,
air freshener, stickers.
Yeah, some clamps that you're gonna get. The installation kit. Not bad.
Okay.
This one right here. You got the clamps and the send you bolts. And this clamp will hold the intake against that in the stock area. I'll show you guys in a few. But yeah, I'm gonna remove this out. And this whole plastic piece is ugly and airflow restriction. We don't want that. So let's get to it. Loosen up this screw since I'm gonna take this out and readjust it. And loosen this screw to take these things out. And then take this bolt out and take this bolt out as well. And then take the clamps from here and as well from here as well. So this way this piece can come out with the stock part, and then you can easily remove this two bolts right here. There's one underneath, one on top. And then we can put this, attach it to this one. And here, you got one here and one here. We're gonna loosen that up and take this out, and then we'll install it, see how it looks.
These don't come out all the way, right? You said, because there's no point.
They come out all the way.
You want them to come out all the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
They come out all the way, so we get rid of that stock piece over there. I know this one we just grabbed this out and grabbed that out. Took the intake off so I could adjust it. And that's the other piece coming out soon. Alright, so that's how it looks when all the pieces are out, all the way from here. You got so much space here just to get to your downpipe, the heat shield and everything. That's nice. But yeah, now we're gonna install that Puro intake silicone hose. It's easy if you guys put this first. That's a factory one you can remove, and then these two they send it to you. And it's like it just holds the hose stable here on top. So put this in first. This way you can adjust that afterwards. The hose in and out, whatever. But this way everything stays straight, and this could go back in easily.
I appreciate it.
And so it's done. And make sure everything is tightened up. Here, there, two screws that they send you. And then make sure this clamp is tight. That. And there's one in the bottom. Then over here. And make sure, make this tight. The MAF airflow sensor. Now I got this. And I actually put the box back here because I just wanted this to be up. But I had space anyway. So let's start it up and give it a few revs. So that's the comparison as a stock. Look at this ugly shit. Yo, this is too much. It is heavy too. Just weight for no reason and plastic. But now we got direct airflow. We'll give it some revs.